Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and oh my goodness, I have to show you. I found this on Amazon and I have been dying to get a sealing wax kit, and this one is so fun. Let me open it for you. Look at everything it comes with. Now I have to show you, this did get like candle waxy, but it was from the tea candles, and they just sent like a 10-pack of tea candles. You can use any tea candles, but I'm in Phoenix, so what do you do? I also got these two metallic pens in gold and silver. All of this wax. Now you guys know that I love to send handmade cards, but I thought, how fun would it be to have wax melts that go with it? So I picked up this, and it comes with all those colors. I'm so excited. And then it comes with like a bag of stuff. So this looks like it's some gold. Let me open it. I'm like opening it for the first time, so I thought we'd open it together. I have to share it. Again, I got this on Amazon. If I could find the link, I'll put it down in the description for you. But yeah, it's definitely glitter. Oh gosh. There we go. I'm going to put that back in here. I love glitter, but it's definitely, like I always call it, it's the herpes of the arts and crafts world, because mark my words, I will take a shower for every day for the next week, and like next time you see me, I'll have gold glitter somewhere. And then I just wipe my nose. So there we go. It also comes with these little guys and this little guy. I know, I just can't. There's so much. Hold on. Hold please. Because it looks like it comes with some envelopes. And they're really shiny and pretty. So I don't know if you could see that shine on there, but those are beautiful. And those would go really well for the long slimline cards. So maybe I'll have to do a slimline card here pretty quickly for you. But I don't think we have time for it to melt. Let's see. Maybe we'll try it while I'm talking. Let's see. So what you do is you take one of these candles, right? Now I'm telling you like I know. I don't know. I'm just assuming. Oh. You take one of the candles and you put it right over there. So can you see that? And I just happen to have one of these. So we're going to start it first. I have a fan going. Again, I live in Phoenix. So we'll put that over there. And this looks to be made out of wood, so I don't know. Then you take this little guy and you just put it right there. And then you choose your color that you want. A couple of them are sticking. And I've seen people put different colors, like if they wanted to do like this green and then a dark green. So, but let's try. Let's try a green and a dark green. I don't even know how many of these you'd use. But those two are stuck together. So we'll do that. And then we'll do one of those, and it's melting pretty quickly. So I don't want to do a big huge one, right? And then I don't know what that sound is, if you can hear it, but look at all those colors. Super excited. Now I need to get a piece of paper. I'll just use one of these here, and it's already melting. So they do have these if you don't want to touch. It comes with the little tweezers in case you wanted to add stuff. And then these are fun. And let me show you the ink, or what is this called? The stamp, the seal. It's a little tree. It's like the tree of life. So can you see? It's already kind of melting there. I mean, that was really quick. So I don't know how long it takes to melt. But I do love these colors that are coming out there. And now that I've got it going, I don't know the cleaning process, nothing. I just got too excited. Had to share this with you. I'm going to move it out of the way. I don't know, should I? I'm going to wait. You guys might as well wait with me. Let's see, what are we going to do? I can tell you a story while we're waiting. Oh my gosh. So, I'm dealing with sciatica right now. Have you ever dealt with it? It's horrible. It is horrible. I was literally in tears. In tears. I called up my kids. I'm like, you gotta come help me. So they came down and gave me a massage. So I'm moving this around because it looks like it wants to be melted, but there's a little piece there that is not 100% sure. But I think we're almost done. Now, I don't know, again, how long this has to be. But I don't know, if you're like me, if you're like on, I'm going to lift this now because I don't want that to keep going. I'm ready. So we're pretending this is an envelope, right? And I have it half and half. And then I'm just going to go around in circles here. Just like this. And then I've seen people kind of do that. That's exactly what I wanted. Is have a little bit of like wonky? What would you call it? Like another little dot and some ribbon and like, I don't know. And then you just take this guy and you stick it on there. Don't let me know how long it goes on there for. I don't think I used enough. And, oh, I've already messed it up. I've already gotten this dirty. So that's good. This is hot. We are working with a mess right now. That's what happens when I get excited and don't plan for things. But that's okay. If you are a crafter, you always have stuff to clean things up with, right? So I'm just going to stick this in there. I know it's a waste of a good sponge, but I want to get most of that out. While we're waiting, I don't know again how long this has to last. Oh, the little threads are coming off. They must not have stuck on there. I hope those little dots stay on there. Oh, this is done. So we're done. We've got that tree, but you can't see it. It's not hot at all. Neither is this. But we can't see that tree. I can, but you cannot. So I guess that's where this comes in. So I'm going to grab the gold. Oh, yeah. Here comes that tree. Okay, don't do what I did. This gold is actually beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm going to be putting this on all of my stuff, you guys. Look at that. Can you see that gold tree? It's so pretty. And this, that's pretty much stuck on there unless you really pull it. Okay. Learn from my mistakes. I'm going to put a little bit more on there just to make it nice and bright and shiny. But there you go. How fun is that? I love this. This is cute. And it didn't take very long at all. And I was going to look to see who did it. But there's nothing in there. But it came in a cute little box that unfortunately got all melty. But I love all of these colors. So fun. I will definitely be putting these on this month's thank you notes. So, alright, I hope you like this. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. Check the description down below. If I could find the link for you, I'll go into my past orders on my Amazon account and I will put it on there. If not, it's called a sealing wax kit and you'll be able to find that on Amazon. All right, beauties. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you have a wonderful evening. Talk to you later. Bye.